Always hard to find like the chat here. Ah, here it is.
There we go.
So let me check if I already have the avatars in my inventory. Oh, why not?
Hey Sarif, hey Coconut, hey Wanya, hey Alexei, hey Katya. Just a couple more minutes and we'll get it started. Busy week, new stuff, right? We're getting ready for Decoded. Decoded is starting to feel a bit like our frat party, like the opportunity that we just let's get together and just drink, right? No, no, that's a lie. Good morning, syphilis. It's now
What a great name.
now I can start. You always it's
It's
good.
always welcome.
It's always welcome.
Um,
Just a little bit of syphilis. So hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our weekly community call. And I think, as usual, we're going to start with our uh, Royal Rumble, right? And this week we're going to give away first a rare one. I'm kind of getting itchy so we can get to season 2 and see more different stuff. But for now, Royal Rumble, all you have to do is you have to go, as you know the drill, go to the AMA chat. Cedric is too soon going to kick it
yeah,
off.
I'm preparing it. Like, give me a second. Did it? Rumble battle, right? Battle,
And you all know what happens.
battle, random
We fight to the death.
countdown 2. Type normal, right? Okay, so also in my screen you see the rare. So it's the scene easy, which we're gonna give away now, and at the end of the call we will give away sit. Okay, so let's start the battle, right?
Yeah, you can see it. Go hit on the swords, so we can start. We have a bit of everything: swords, a lot of daggers, sometimes some resurrections, quite a lot of accidents. And
Let's rumble. We
let's
should
go.
have like something that is like this voice over, right, where you can hit and then you hear like this voice, like
You know,
like a siren and stuff like this, right?
they haven't implemented it yet. So if you see in the channels that are not this one, not the AMA one, so the team channel, they've added a soundboard so we can do sound effects, but they haven't allowed it yet on the weekly. But
But
once
that
it's
is that
here, oh, it's,
that would be awesome. It will feel like a big show, right?
yeah. I have a few ideas. Hopeful, that's the attitude. That's the attitude. Stone cold and yeah. About a minute left, I think. Whoever have I jumped in? No, yes I have. So
I have. Let's rumble. Let
so
me see
there's
if I
there's
find also a good GIF.
there's 50 in the audience. So there's a couple of you that haven't entered. If you've missed it, it's right up here. You can see it in the screen. 43. Don't miss out. Don't miss out.
Rumble. The 30 seconds.
Can we do a side? We should be able to do a side bet. Who's gonna win? I'm gonna pick a name.
Okay,
I don't know. Just
I would bet on me. No.
uh, let's see who deserves one. Everyone.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, let's start. It's a classic one with 45 participants. So, first round, already 5 killed.
Milan, you just
Yeah,
Milan. Come on, you just
Benin
can't.
just was like eaten, has eaten wrong berries.
Those berries, them
Those berries
berries.
are always lying around, right?
Andre found a dagger. That's good.
Oh, I don't know, not for us, right?
It's not. I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, I already got killed. What?
What?
I haven't
25
done
left.
anything, right?
B Crypto sneezed, which is dangerous. Deep Logic created a makeshift bomb, which sounds elaborate. 21 left. Let's see. Oh no, who got stabbed with a cucumber? I mean, we have to give maybe a bonus for the most dramatic death. Something we need to figure out. Getting killed by B Crypto, bro. It happens.
The last time there was like initially there was like 7 kills out of nowhere, like an atomic bomb, right?
Yeah,
Something
something
like
crazy.
this.
15 left. Food poisonings, piranhas, a bit of everything. We could
11. Okay, now
11.
it becomes like interesting, right?
Syphilis is out, which is always sad to announce, but there's always a resurrection. There's always second chance. Andre,
Wow, graphical skin kept you alive. That's a bad one.
a bit
And
dramatic.
Andre, Andre is on his killing spree
He's
with his dagger,
with his
right?
dagger, like.
Which he found in the first round. Otto, you got resurrected. Good.
Otto is
We can go
resurrected.
eat Mexican, right?
6 left. Oh, how
Oh,
did I?
Nick, what's going on?
I did everything. I killed somebody and
You
then
you
piranhas.
found a dagger and you then just like got eaten by piranhas.
That's quite a dramatic last Royal Rumble entry. Otto took out Andre. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Otto went fishing. Why are you going fishing? You're 3 left. Get back in here.
Left their supplies behind. Oh my god. 4 left.
4 left.
He's back in battle.
Come on. Go, go, go.
What's going on? It stopped.
No.
Oh, Otto.
Otto, don't. Who do we have? Graphical.
And Albert Secco, right?
Albert Seco.
Hey,
Hey,
Albert
congrats.
Secco. Nice. Cool.
Very nice.
So let me.
Congratulations. You get your rare Awesome Ajuna avatar. Stick around. We're gonna have our legendary Royal Rumble at the end of our community call, and Cedric is going to be sending over to you. Triple A update. We're starting to get some really cool new stuff, as you can see here. What can we update about Triple A's? Let's see. So we're currently.
Um.
You go.
Yeah. So we have been deploying now the season 2. That means like we are playing on chain. It's not deployed on the Bajun network at the moment, but it's deployed on our test network. That means we are playing on chain and trying to find all the bugs that exist. We already found a bunch of. So it takes like some time to get like this done. The complexity is far higher than the season 1 was. I mean, I can give maybe just like a small insight. Maybe let me just. You should see now my screen, right? Um, I mean, in the beginning probably it's very simple. I mean, the process of starting with your legendary pet is by breeding a rare egg to epic and from epic to legendary. And when it changed from the rarity from epic to legendary, it will breed out or hatch and you will see what kind of pet you have. There are some smaller things which can make you aware of what kind of probabilities exist on the outcome of it. And but like the way that this works is pretty familiar. So it's like very similar to what you have done with avatars. But that's just like one thing, right? That's the breeding part. And then we have like the blacksmith part, the armory, and the hero part. And they come together to work similarly and to create like weapons and armors which you then can equip. And once you have equipped, you then can go into the end game, which is also interesting and which will create a loop. Um, so we are currently in the phase of polishing it. So there's still like a lot to do around polishing it, making it like feel as a next season. Also like from the color style. Also you see there have been some changes in the view. So there is like quantity, for example. So if we go, for example, to the materials, then you see they are stackable. So you have like, for example, metals, which you can stack then, which then in the end just puts them together. There are a lot of other mechanisms which during the upcoming weeks we will reveal and start to explain. There is also like some ways to, yeah, I mean, I can't tell you too much, but it's like probably like 10 times more complex than it was before, but it maintains what you know from forging from season one. So it has like those white borders. It has to do with matching. There are stuff which is a little bit easier than you know from season one, but the progression then when you go later is very similar to what you know from season one. And yeah, so that's a little bit around it. Probably like now we will share a lot more informations and also have start to onboard ambassadors to start playing in the upcoming weeks to make sure that we get enough feedback and also to make sure that yeah, we still have things to change. There is like also a mystical thing like this clock, which you know, which will also find its way into the final version. Yeah, so that's about triple A's, and yeah,
Very nice.
I think, yeah, during the upcoming weeks, you will see a lot more and get a lot more informations about what you're gonna see when the season kicks off.
Any updates we have on missions? Anything you think that we can share there?
Okay, missions is so the backend is done. It's everything ready. What is not done are the missions themselves because each mission has a story. But we do have like I think a bunch already set. So one season is live. We will take around 2 to 3 weeks to make sure that the season runs smoothly, that it is like in a flow. Also try to catch up again Discord activities, and then we will focus on the quests. And we do plan to go towards September live, start of September live with the quest, or maybe mid of September. We will probably start on going live with the first quests and missions, and then this will ramp up to have from 1 to 2 missions to get like really a bunch of missions which should change on a daily basis. So you will go and see on a daily basis like different missions that you can participate. Yeah, so I'm gonna send now Senesi to Mr. Albert Secco. Good. Yeah, that's it from my side for the missions.
Good. Then let me move on to the next one. Let's see what we have for the missions. So, Polkadot Prague. So yeah, I had the pleasure this past weekend and Monday and Tuesday being in Prague for a couple of events that were taking place during the blockchain week in Prague. That was NFT, an NFT Prague event which was organized by the Polkadot team, and then a bigger event which was the Prague on Monday, Tuesday. There I got the opportunity to actually meet quite a few people from the community, from ambassadors to people that have been, working quite a lot, maybe also on the content side. We got the opportunity to connect with a few of the other parachains. And I think you'll also be able to see our presentations, which were pretty fun. To be honest with you, the topics I think were fun for the audience. The one of the topics was how can we start sort of working and sort of leaning into this technology for games, sort of the same thing as we're doing with the Awesome Ajuna Avatars. And the second one had to do of how we should not let our creativity be limited by let's say technical barriers, which is something that games can do very well. Hopefully, we'll be able to share.
Can I ask something? Are you sharing a black screen for us to make sure that we all have
Yes.
the inside visually?
Oh no. I didn't notice now.
Cool.
I hope it's not Prague. But yeah, that's it about Prague. I don't
No,
have
no.
anything to show yet, but you will see a lot of the videos coming out in the next few weeks, which we'll make sure
Cool.
to share with you, which was for these 3 events. And quickly moving on to Polkadot Decoded, as you know, we're going to be there. We have quite exciting things that we're going to be sharing. So we're starting to work already on our presentation. There's 3 ways that you will be able to see our presence there. One will be at our talk. The second will be that we're going to have a little stand there. We're going to run a few competitions that we have some cool ideas of how we're going to do them. So if you're there, make sure that you pass by. We'll be able to play a few rounds of Awesome Ajuna Avatars, I'm sure. And we are also going to be participating in the hackathon that's going to be taking place during those 2 days. We will be announcing our challenge or the bounty that we're going to be doing there. This follows up our first quite successful experience with the team from ENCODE for the hackathon, which we participated last time, so we're looking forward to doing this again. And yeah, that's sort of the update. With the quests, maybe Cedric, you can let us know what's going on with the quests.
Yeah, so we did the distribution already for the quests which were online, I think yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't remember exactly, but I just executed them in the morning. So the next quest will come probably on Monday. So we are preparing something new, not the hunt. The hunt is still like on my pack, like it's still like something which I need to finalize, but currently there is so much to do around season 2. But we are preparing something new which might be very interesting. But I will leave it to Dan to do like some yeah, to give like some hints what it will be. But it will be around your avatars and the beauty contest, something like this. But yeah, so that will come soon. And yeah, I think that's it from my side. So we probably, yeah, so in the DECODED we will have a lot of interesting things for you guys. But for now, I will keep it going for the next battle royale, right? Or is there anything else?
No, that's right.
Right?
We're going towards our
Good.
closing. If any questions that you have, please feel free. I'm going over the chat now. Any questions that you have, we're more than happy to answer. I don't know if we have Pepe here, but shout out to Pepe. I got to see him in Prague. It was a lot of fun talking with him. Colors will
Let me
change. Yeah.
check. Is there any questions? Season 2 in June. So we probably will launch shortly after Polkadot Decoded. I think it doesn't make sense to launch previous to the Polkadot Decoded. It's just like, yeah, I mean, Polkadot Decoded is this big thing, and yeah, it's just like
It
we
makes
should
more sense also,
launch.
right?
Yeah,
For us as a team.
yeah,
Yeah, so, yeah.
yeah. Any more questions? I think you've answered this, but how much will the card packs be? It's not defined, right? It's not defined how much the card packs will be. We know exactly there are 3 card packs. There is like a breeding card pack, there is an equipment essences card pack, and there is a material card pack. normally they should have the same price, but it's not 100% sure because we haven't done the statistics. Other, we haven't defined all the things, so it's still is unsure. But it will be
The
in
analogy
the
will
lower
be,
end. Yeah,
I mean, I
yeah.
think
It will
the
be similar to what we had already,
season one.
and not like something expensive, right? Good. So I will launch the Rumble.
I mean, how did you guys feel? Was the analogy of season one fair? Because that's sort of what we're striving
What
towards.
is analogy? What does
The
that mean?
that the cost per
The
pack,
pricing.
yeah, the pricing
Ah,
for season one, if they felt it was sort of made sense, that's I think what we're trying to strike also with season two.
yeah. Also, don't forget, mini OGs and mostly OGs will get again free mints. So yeah, we will see avatars in card packs in season two also. No, so like what? We will see avatars in card pack in season two also, or something special. Yeah, I mean, you will have like a big sortiment of different things, which some are eggs materials, and in the end, it's not like you mint an avatar and it's like finished. It's like you mint stuff and you build your avatar the way you want to build it, and in the end, it's like a crafted unique avatar. So nobody gets an avatar just for free. There is a lot of work and time to do to reach the final goal. And this time it will take a little bit longer. And there are four basic pets and there are three special pets. And the three special pets need to be unlocked somehow, and you will find it out.
30 seconds to go. Whoever hasn't clicked the swords, here they are. 48. Yeah, I think it's almost everybody's here. 15 seconds to go.
OG mini OGs get so OGs will get a free mint pack to start playing, and mini OGs will get a smaller free mint pack to start playing. This is independent to the onboarding package which mini OGs got.
Here we go.
Cool. So let's start. Bam. Uh, it's funny we have
Nick created a
49 in the audience, but more people in the Rumble. That's suspicious, right? But yeah,
well,
let's see. Let's see. Trick. Ah, took a dagger.
yeah, we have trick in here. We have trick in here.
He came out from the corner.
Andre did
Andre.
a Mortal Kombat move, broke a spine by my god. Fatality. Trick
Just found the dagger.
Trick accidentally stabbed
Ah,
Syphilis.
somebody got revived. Like, yeah, hip chest, Tor,
Pinin
mouth.
straight up just ate Fatima. That's it. He like, no, I'm done with it. No weapons, nothing.
I just eat them.
I'm
Yeah.
done.
Yeah, Perkash went fishing, right? Just waiting to get his second legendary, right?
Why would anyone revive Syphilis? It's 20.
To get more customers, right?
Yeah, you know, that's that exactly.
Okay,
27
thought trying again, right? Oh, and Syphilis comes out with kneecaps, breaking kneecaps. Oh, that's a nice gift. That's a nice gift. He just like make I'm very fat, I'm slow, and then he just that's really nice. Helmy found some edible berries.
20 left.
And the resurrection round.
Resurrection again. Hopeful is back up. There we go. Squire is back up.
And again,
Otto's
from
on
a sponsor.
Otto's on a
Okay.
swing.
Ah. Oh, Rexa was resurrected.
Oh,
Andre,
no
yeah, he
nonsense.
died. Toxicity.
Don't spin.
Okay. Lookman eating those berries.
Graphic was shanked.
Rexa died and was resurrected in the same round, or was it afterwards? Now that is the question,
What
right?
happened first? Yeah,
Mm, yeah, exactly.
we'll find out.
Did syphilis just kill with a stick? How gruesome. 8 left.
8 left.
The population of heaven has just decreased because Four-Tooth Coconut is back in the game.
5 left.
Okay.
Otto again, sort of in the
Oh, he's
final
skinning Helmy
final.
alive.
No, right, he's out. The Otto's out now. In and out. Uh, there we go.
Oh, here's someone near them. Okay, 5 left.
Pinin, are you still in? Come on. Can't
It's round 18.
No, no, you're not. You're not. You're not. You're dead. Who's left? There we go.
It
This is
just
very
stopped
graphical.
to smell the flowers.
4 left.
Now it's interesting, right? Graphical, 3 left.
Resurrect. Let's go.
Resurrection. Two left. Who is in? Graphico? Oh no, he's
Who is
dead.
it?
We have
Sarifim and who
Sarif
else?
near 511, right? Left, and who else? Somebody's hiding, right?
Who's hiding in
Okay,
the berries?
and the way
Ipches was
Ipches.
hiding.
Ipches won.
Hey,
Yeah,
congratulations.
awesome.
You get your legendary
Awesome.
Awesome Ajuna avatar.
Yeah, so let me just like send it to you. Do. Ipches. Zack. Sit is coming to you right now. Oh no, not forging it.
No, no, no. A different thing.
She was about on the forge, but there's so he is in your inventory. So congratulations, Ipches, for your legendary. And yeah, then let's stay tuned for more news from season 2.
Yep.
And see you soon.
See you all
And
soon.
next week.
Thank you for joining in. We
Yeah.
will let you know tomorrow. We're going to be joining Binance Live to talk a bit about Awesome Ajuna Avatar Season 2. We will let you know the details tomorrow in the chat. And looking forward seeing everyone again next week. So, hey, have a great afternoon.
Okay. See you, everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice one.